Welcome back to my kitchen, everyone. You know, the holiday season a compound we like so you know what, it's time to get the fruit soaked for that beautiful cake.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
Now this is what I'll be using to soak my fruits. Now you can use any little dry fruits that you like. I'm gonna go with this one because that's what my mama used, so that me I go use too. So it's just literally just mix fruit mix, and as you can see, it's got sultanas, raisins, peels, this, that, whatever, all it in there. So you know what, you just grab your fruits and just do your thing. Now it don't have to be a specific fruit, but you know, raisins and them sitting off in it. So I'm also going to be adding some dates and you know, say cherry after the day as well. Now for soaking it, all I'm going to use is some red label wine. I'm also going to add in some cherry liqueur. And you know, say we cannot soak nothing or bake nothing with Christmas and Jamaica, and we don't have on Korea. So that's what I'm going to be putting up in there. If you're new to my channel, guys, welcome. Thank you so much for coming. If you haven't yet subscribed, wait, hold on, where you wait on? Hit that subscribe button down there and just make we do this thing. Now all I'm doing is just literally slicing up the cherries, because you know what, that me my mother do, and that me I go do too. Now you can leave your things whole, but I just like to slice them up, and I'm also going to do the same thing with the dates. Now all I'm going to do is, once I've done, is just mix everything in a bowl and just start to feed it into that jar. For my returning subscribers, big up on yourself. Thank you so much for rocking with me, and don't worry, I've got a little Christmas season coming up, so be sure to look out for all those recipes that I've got that's associated with the holidays. Now I do like to mix it up instead of putting it in layers, because you know, so sometimes you don't use all of it, so you know, so when you're ready for take out some, you know, so everything just there. Now once I start getting to the top, I do like to go in and just literally just press them down, because you know, say yeah, we want everything to just pack up in that. Then once I've done this, I'm just going to go ahead now and just start adding in my wine and my rum and my, I did use majority more red label wine than the others. I'll leave exactly what I used down in the description box, so make sure you go down there and check out exactly what I used. Now you just want to make sure that your fruit is completely submerged in the liquid. Ain't nothing a peep up at top. Now just so you know, it's not gonna really be mixed, but I just used to like to go in with a spoon and just, you know, stir up the thing a little bit. And as you can see, each spoonful you take up, you've just got a little bit of all of the fruits that's in there. Now all you do is just put a lid on that bad boy and just leave it out. Now you can do this months in advance. I do know some people do these months and months in advance, but you know, the girl up on a late thing this year, so anyway, Jamaicans say a simple thing that it's still a go nice, it's still a go good, and it's still gonna be packed so much with flavors. Don't forget, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming back. Don't forget to hit that like button for your girl, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Thanks again, guys. Don't forget to look out for my upcoming Christmas recipes.